Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
In Dialogue, Ali Sara. Topic, Personal Hygiene, Sara. Hey Ali, you look fresh today. Ali, thanks, Sara. I just took a shower. Sara, do you take a shower every morning? Ali, yes, I take a shower every morning. Sara, hot water or cold? Ali, I like hot showers in the morning. Sara, same here. Cold showers are for summer only. Ali, after my shower, I dry off and get dressed. Sara, that's a great way to start the day. Ali, a clean body, a fresh mind. Sara, you said it.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.